What it means to have a shared leadership foundation is that everybody together is agreeing that we're going to keep it simple, that we're going to start with where we are, that we're going to be about intention and not perfection, that we're going to keep prioritizing with each other, and we're going to communicate, and then we're going to recalibrate as we continue to leverage the learning. Because the ultimate goal is a strategic work flexibility approach that allows managers, teams, and individuals to leverage work flexibility, technology, workspace on and off site. And that's important right now because we're getting ready to move from where it's primarily remote for a lot of people to where it's ultimately going to be a hybrid combination of remote and on site. And they're doing that with strategic, coordinated intention in the evolving, flexible new normal to do our jobs, to achieve business goals, to manage our lives, and to rebuild the economic momentum that we need to rebuild.